in our day-to-day concert situations to feature the work and the creativity and the initiative of individual students who are becoming very talented musicians in their own right, and becoming also very talented and proficient at the entire process of making music, preparing it and everything. The next selection you're about to hear is a completely student rehearsed and prepared production. This is a rendition of the it's not on the program. This is a rendition of the Manhattan Transfer arrangement of Nightingale sang in Berkeley Square, which is a very difficult a cappella arrangement, and these students have worked very hard. And I'd like to take an opportunity to recognize them before they start. We have 6 students here: Diane Kuzensky, Steve Morrow, Barbara Boyd, Frank McIntyre, Rob Smith, and Marchette Dubois. This is Nightingale sang in Berkeley Square.
Me.